Adrian from reimagine18, making doll clothes out of grown folks' clothes. Don't worry about my speech. So when you make your first apparel, you're gonna be like, oh my God, I got this shirt. Well, it comes from Walmart and it was on sale for $1. It is the 3X. So to slow down on your sewing, to make it perfect, you get your pattern, and I have 8817 American Girl. So we want to have some American Girl clothes. So I got a pair of pants. I already cut my pattern out. So you remember, if you got pants already, well then you could even save more money. But to have a good pair of pants, your hem, you got the bottom of your shirt. See that nice hem? Beautiful. It ain't gotta be all so neat, just as long as your ends meet. So your hem can be professional. I used to sew for people. But now you see, I made it a little bit bigger this time so you can really see what I'm doing. Okay, now you you already got your simplicity pattern, or any pattern that's got a pair of pants in it for your baby doll. You take it, you lay it. You already know you got your hem, so you don't have to make a hem. So you take it. Now you know, can use safety pins, straight pins, but I don't use any pins. So start cutting. And it's really quicker than that if I had the right stuff. But I was taught a long time ago. I won't say that because you might haven't heard of that. But if you, well, okay. My son acted like I didn't know what I was going to say, but I didn't say it.
Just say use what you got.
Usually, yeah. I tell you the truth, I don't even really have the right elastic to go into the pants. But we're going to make do. And they still going to look so nice.
Okay, so you're cutting that, okay.
Okay, now this is the front. But look, you need to tell me we got 2 pair of pants. 2 fronts and 2 backs. Okay, we're gonna leave that for the next pair of pants. Okay. You take one to the front, one to the back. Whoops. Here you go. When all that white gets to looking, it look the same. You gotta make sure you turn them over. Okay. Now remember your hem. This is the main thing for this one. Okay. So everything is different. See, I'm using the back and forth. Okay. It's simple though. It's just that we're trying to keep these hems together, because that's the main thing when you get through, that you can really tell that these pants look professionally made from a store. From a manufacturer, you know, so. Yeah, so,
Look at that.
you know, see.
Is that the back or the front? Or it doesn't matter?
It really doesn't matter till you get it together, then you'll know the front from the back. Okay?
Okay, so you layer them. Yeah, let me come on.
You still worried about them hems. So, now if you had a pen, it just,
Okay, hold on. Show them where the pin goes. Let me see. I lost you.
say safety pin. If we had a safety pin to put here in the front, to keep those together so you can keep your, we still worried about the hem.
Can you
You
kind
see
of show
that?
it without your arm in the way? There you go. Yeah,
See?
like that. Yep, got it.
Okay. Okay. Now, that's the inside. You done laid it out. Getting rid of your threads. Now, at home, I would have I got a little ironing board right by, well, I'm going to sew something at home, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Right now, I'm here, we just doing what we can.
Oh, and you sew that.
See, and then you can look at your hem. Look at your hem. Beautiful. Okay, so now.
Can you show me the hem again? Just where you was at. Let me see. Let me get to it.
See? Beautiful.
Yep, I see it. Beautiful.
One side down and one to go. Now we still, you know, I'm still looking for that hem. Dowels, clothing, I make them coats. They come with coat, outfit, sleeper, onesies. They are so beautiful. Now, I'm still looking for this hem. I'll be able to turn it over in a minute, but I gotta do a little trimming. Let me do it. See that? With the stretch. I had to stretch, so we're gonna cut this down just a little bit to even it out. We're just trying to keep it even as we can. Now for the elastic, you just take it, fold it over, and it's according to what inch of elastic that you do have. Right now, My baby, she brought me some. It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen, and I gotta cut it in half to make it.
Cut it to the inch of the left.
Left,
What would you normally use?
Oh,
What inch for
the dowels, they have the smallest, which is I can't tell you what it is, the size of it, but I'm quite sure if you ever made panties or straps or hair bows or something that's real small, but it's to go. So I'm fit to hem this, and then to see what he brought me. Oh wow! Now see.
Let me see.
Now this is really wide. Now we would never want our dolls to have anything this wide around their waist unless it was a belt. So to do
the kind, that might be a little, I once was blind. The Lord bless me to see again, so I ain't the perfect, but you know, I'm trying to cut it where. Be patient with me. I'll get it. Look like you're following the line. I can't really see it. I'm feeling. I really can't see the line. But don't like you say you about a thin. Don't cost very much. You get a lot of it. So, you can make a lot of it.
so. You know what? We're gonna put that in. I gotta have a pen to even pull it through. When I sew it. Okay. Well, you know what? Some. And since we don't have that pen, I'm gonna do it. And like I said, this is not my machine, but it sews pretty good. So I'm gonna stick it up under here, and I'm gonna sew across it.
Move your hand back so they can see it. Just
Okay.
1 second.
Okay. Now let me see if I can get it back over to the hem.
You just sewing it. Make the fold big enough so you won't sew your elastic.
That's right.
Go to work.
I'm going to put it when we get done. And pray it don't break. Because I'm not quite sure if I did it enough. Or I'm keeping it back enough not to sew on it. And so you go to the store, trying to buy a pair of pants for your doll. There's nothing like this material here. Okay, we're almost there. So. Now, for the waist, we gotta figure out. What a waist. Here, let me do this. Okay. Okay. Now, can I see a doll then? Let's see if I can just kind of guess a little bit.
Yeah. Look at that hem.
All right, we hope you help you guys out making American 18-inch American doll clothing from polo t-shirts. Look at that. And if you want to see Adrian's collections, just go to eBay on reimagine18 and
Thank
look at
you.
her collection. Thank you. Hope this helped you guys out. Have a great day.